Hi, my name is Megha and in this video we will discuss about IELTS Speaking Section 2 cue card topic, which is talk about a useful book that you recently read. Now this question comes as talk about a useful book you read, and the sub questions are: when did you read it? What type of book is it? What is it about? Why did you find it useful? Now let us discuss a sample answer. But before that, I'd like to tell you that you do not need to memorize a lot of vocabulary words to use them in your IELTS speaking. So what I'm going to do for this video, I'm going to use vocabulary from my previous cue card video, which was a person that you admire, and let us see how the sample answer should be. To be honest, I'm an avid reader of books on culinary skills, and I really enjoy reading about how food is prepared and how it is presented in the most elegant manner. But today I want to talk about a different book that I recently read, and it took me days to get out of its plot. The book was gifted to me by a friend on my birthday, and I must say it is the most precious gift that I've ever received. The book's called Unfinished, and it is a memoir written by the supremely talented Bollywood actress Priyanka Chopra. I am very fond of this book because I love how she has narrated her life experiences through her writing. While I was reading that book, it actually felt like Priyanka is sitting right in front of me and narrating those lovely anecdotes from her childhood. This book left a lasting impression on my mind because I was very fascinated by her writing style. It is exactly the way she talks. It is captivating, joyful, full of humor, and so motivating at the same time. In the book, Priyanka has vividly described how she overpowered all the struggles that she had to face in the early stages of her life as an actress. She has also offered a tiny peek into the incredibly strong bond that she shares with her father. The book also describes how Priyanka was always undeterred by criticism and how it helped her pave her journey and gain international audience. Additionally, her book gained legendary recognition within and outside the country because it is full of humor and so engrossing. I find that book very useful because it has instilled in me a sense of responsibility and determination towards my goal. It has made me believe in my potential and in my dreams. To wrap up, I am a die-hard fan of Priyanka Chopra's writing skills, and I am waiting for more books from her. She really is an inspiring author, and I'm sure her work will always make headlines. So this was my sample answer. Now moving to some tips that I have for you for IELTS Speaking Section 2 cue card topic. First of all, always remember to build a story because Section 2 is a monologue that you have to deliver for 1 minute. And it is not possible to speak on and on for 1 minute on a topic. So take the help from the sub questions. They are very important. They will help you in building the story. And then build the story. Add additional details like when you bought that book, or who gifted that book to you, when was it that the book was gifted to you, what you liked about the book, what was mentioned in the book, who wrote the book. So in this way, you will be able to deliver a monologue that will last for 1 minute. And always remember not to pause before the examiner interrupts you. So continue speaking, continue building the story, speak on, and speak till the examiner herself or himself interrupts you. Now for this video, we used a lot of vocabulary from my previous video. Please go and watch the previous video if you haven't watched already. It does contain a lot of vocabulary and phrases for your reference, and those vocabulary and phrases can be used in a variety of cue card topics. So this was all for today's video. I will see you again in my next video with a new cue card topic. Till then, stay safe and keep learning. Bye.